to another video. I try to post videos twice a week, always on Tuesdays now, and every other Friday, so I guess 1 to 2 times a week. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok, which I post daily on, and yeah, sorry if I sound a little delirious right now. I actually have a fever of 102, so I just really need to get this filmed because I don't know when I'll have the energy to otherwise, and it's just like sitting there and it breaks my heart. And by the way, this is an unboxing video, I guess, of my first Angelic Pretty JSK. I've never owned anything Angelic Pretty, and I like feel like a legit Lolita now. I do own JSK by Alice and the Pirates, but like I don't own anything Angelic Pretty, and I feel like when you get something Angelic Pretty, then you become like a real Lolita. Which is total BS, like you don't need brands to be a real Lolita. It just makes me really happy because I feel like I'm making so much progress in the community. I don't know if this makes sense. I'm rambling, I'm sick, ignore me. Also, sorry for the gross makeup. My hands are shaking. It's the True Doll JSK in lavender, and I actually bought it off of someone in my local community. And yeah, I got a really big discount on it. It's also missing the front bow, which maybe is why I got a really big discount on it, and because I'm part of the com. But either way, I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm just gonna open her because I don't know what else to say. First Angelic Pretty piece. This is really pretty. It has a little Angelic Pretty tag. I feel so official. Oh, she's so cute. And the collar is really cute. The collar has little pearls on it and like lace and little gold trim. Oh, she's adorable. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, and the underskirt. Oh my god. Are those pockets? Holy crap. I didn't. Why did nobody tell me that AP dresses have pockets? What in the heck? Oh, she's so beautiful. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Oh. Okay, I gotta toss her on real fast. By the way, I have absolutely nothing lavender and nothing to match this, so, but lavender is like my favorite color. I really wanted like a gold dress that I could like build upon and like accessorize and just build up little by little. So that's why I have nothing that matches, but I'm gonna toss her on really fast, so just please ignore the fact that I don't have like a Casey or like shoes. She's so pretty. I'm not wearing a petty right now because I'm so tired, and I'm also wearing pajama pants under this, but oh, she's so pretty. I need to tie these front thingies, but I'll probably record more clips when I'm not feverish and super delirious, but she's so pretty. Also, I need a different blouse because I thought this one would work with it because the person I bought it off of wore like a Peter Pan collar blouse with it, but I do not like it on me. Hello friends! It is actually almost 2 months later, which is crazy. I originally tried on this dress on Valentine's Day, and then like I was sick for so long. I came home from spring break, classes got canceled, I had to pack all of my stuff, bring it back home. It was insane. So it's now April, and I'm finally getting to wear this dress for the first time as a full cord, and I feel gorgeous. This is my absolute favorite color, and it has pockets. It fits perfectly, like it fits like a glove. It has a beautiful shape, especially now that I got this like adjustable petty figured out. I feel like a princess, and I actually took the waist ties and I made them into little bows because I didn't have a head accessory, like a headdress or I don't know, whatever else you put on your head. But I feel so cute right now, and yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't much, I just kind of wanted to remember this moment because it is my first Angelic Pretty dress, and now I feel like a real Lolita, if that makes sense. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I'm posting twice a week, unless it's a skit, then it's normally just once a week. But it would mean so much to me if you subscribed, turn on notifications, and if you gave this video a like and maybe leave me some sweet comments down below. Otherwise, I post daily on TikTok and Instagram if you would like to go support me there, and I have a Ko-fi and an Amazon if you would like to support me even further. Anyways, that was a very long spiel, but thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.